guys, what's up? It's Winnie here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming at you with half of my makeup done because we're going to be trying out a new makeup look that I haven't ever done on my channel before, and it's actually the glass skin Korean beauty trend. If you don't know what that is, don't worry because it was new to me too, and I was searching different images for this look and I couldn't believe how their skin looked in their pictures. It was like their skin was perfect. Which brings me back to, what is glass skin? It definitely sounds interesting, and I was reading an article from Allure online and they explained it as skin that looks clear, poreless, translucent, luminous, like a piece of glass. And you guys will see why from the picture examples that I'll put up, and I'll link the article down below if you want to read it too. But it sounds to me like this look is very much focused on skincare, which is no surprise because if you guys know, Korean beauty is very natural and they're also huge on skincare, and that's really where it starts. So really this look is on how to obtain perfectly poreless, smooth, hydrated, and plump looking skin, which I'm sure everybody wants. And I'm gonna try my hand at recreating this look on myself using some of the Korean beauty and skincare products that I have. So I already did my eye makeup today and I kept it on the more neutral side. With Korean beauty, it's not so much about heavy coverage or a lot of makeup. It's more so enhancing your natural beauty. I personally have combination dry skin and I have sensitive skin as well, so there are areas of my face that have a little bit more texture and also a little bit of dryness. So this is my skin before any makeup or anything, and you can see that I have dark under eyes. I have a little bit of discoloration on my face. I do have a couple of blemishes on my forehead right here and dryness in the center of my forehead as well, and then just a little bit of texture around my face. But otherwise, I'd say my skin has been pretty well behaved. I really don't have a lot of breakouts right now, but I would like to even out the color of my face as well as take care of some of the texture and the dullness on my skin. So I'm gonna start with cleansing my face to wash off any dirt or impurities, and we're gonna be using the Pergolas Plus 15-second foam cleanser. This is by the brand 23 Years Old, and it's got this super sticky, almost glue-like consistency to it. It's actually great for removing impurities on your face like blackheads and oil, and it has naturally fermented ingredients in it, so it's great for anti-aging and it keeps your skin moisturized. It's super stretchy and stringy and sticky. Kind of looks like chewing gum. You're actually supposed to add a little bit of water to this and it'll kind of foam up. So I'm gonna go ahead and wet my face, and I'm just gonna lather up the cleanser in my wet hands. Still a little bit sticky, but a lot less sticky once you add the water to it. It's definitely got a slippery, like sticky feeling to it. On the forehead. Trying to avoid my brows. You're supposed to kind of cleanse your face for 15 seconds and rinse it off. So this is my face immediately after rinsing the cleanser off. It feels really nice and clean. Like, you can definitely see that it's removed a lot of the shine that was on my face. It actually looks and feels pretty good. I'm gonna go in with a sheet mask so it can really absorb into my skin, and I'm gonna be using this one from Common Labs. It's the Honey Vitamin C mask. It's actually a two-step mask. So step one is actually up here in this little yellow packet, and it comes with a little finger pad that has a really gentle kind of exfoliator on it, and it's actually saturated in this essence which has AHA and BHA in it, which will help remove any of the dead skin cells or impurities left on your skin. It's just a soft textured cotton pad on your skin. The pad is really gentle, so don't think you are like scrubbing super hard at your skin or anything. So that's why even for my sensitive skin, it's not turning red or anything. Now onto the actual sheet mask. This is a vitamin C, honey, and propolis mask, and the vitamin C complex in this will help brighten your complexion, boost collagen, and minimize fine lines. The honey and propolis is actually great for moisturizing and anti-aging. Before you open this, you want to gently press around the packet and disperse the gel essence all over the sheet mask. There is a lot of that gel essence in here, so it's a good idea to actually save the remainder essence in the package, and you can put it in a separate container and use it a different time. And again, because there is so much of that leftover essence all over my hands, I'm actually gonna work it down my neck and on my arms, just so we're not wasting any of that good stuff. Yeah, so I just put the mask over my eyeshadow and my eyebrows, so I'm gonna probably have to redo those. It's time to remove the sheet mask, and there's still a ton of that essence left on my face, as you can see. I'm gonna pat it into my skin with my hands. Really don't want to waste this, but there is just so much of it that I need to help it along a little bit. Okay, I went and touched up my brow and eye makeup, and I put a little bit of lip balm on, but this is my skin immediately after the sheet mask, and it feels super, super hydrated right now, and you can see some of that glow coming off of my face from the essence. So we're gonna lock in all of that moisture now, and I'm gonna use the Touch in Sol Beauty Aid Cream. And this is actually gonna work as a primer today before my foundation, but you can always use it on its own as a moisturizer. That's actually how I typically use it, and it's a really nice lightweight cream, but it's super, super moisturizing, and it leaves your skin with that nice hydrated glow. So I just squeeze a little bit on my hands, and I'm just going to smooth it onto my skin. I really feel like this is the step that gives your skin that plumped, luminous, dewy skin look that you want. So our primer is on, and we have one last step, which is to cover up the uneven skin tone on the face and hide those dark circles, but we don't want too much coverage where it looks like we are masking our skin. So today I'm going to be using the Troy Aruke A+ Cushion Foundation, and as you guys might know, cushion beauty and skincare products are huge in Korea, and this is one that I've actually heard a lot about. It's known for its 99% skincare ingredients and 1% makeup. So it's very focused on skincare and being good for the skin as you wear it. This cushion foundation was actually specifically made for acne prone, sensitive, and combination skin types. So if you have any problems with breakouts, or if you're a little oily in some areas, this will work great for you. And it does brighten up your skin complexion. It has SPF 50 in it, which is crazy. So that is a great protective layer for your skin, so it's great for anti-aging as well. And what's also unique about this is that it actually has a mochi cushion inside. So the foundation doesn't dispense unless you press the applicator puff onto the mochi cushion, and then you can see the foundation come out of it. So it keeps the foundation fresh for longer. It definitely covered up my dark circles, and it's evened out my skin on this side, and it just looks really natural and dewy, as you can see. And this is one application of the foundation to this side of my skin. And you can see the difference compared to this side with no makeup on. And it still looks like my skin. It looks very natural on. And you can see the before and after, so I definitely have foundation on my skin. It just looks very, very natural. And I know you guys with oily skin are probably thinking this might be way too shiny of a look for you, but this cushion foundation actually helps control excess sebum. If you do feel like you need to powder those areas just a little bit to tone it down, you can definitely do so. I just really like the natural look of it on my skin. It makes you look very healthy, and you have a luminous glow to your skin that looks very natural. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some more of the cushion foundation to the other side of my skin now. It feels really, really lightweight, and I'm surprised by the coverage because, like I said, it's covered up those dark circles. I'm not going to be adding any concealer over it because, again, I just want it to look really natural, and I don't want to layer a lot of different products. I'm going to go ahead and finish up my eye makeup, and I will be right back. I just put on some shadow underneath the eyes, popped on some lashes, a little bit of lip oil, and that pretty much completes the look because, again, we want the focus to be on the skin, and we want to keep everything else pretty light and natural looking. Enjoyed this glass skin Korean beauty trend look. I can definitely see myself using this trend for more natural days, and I just really like how it makes my skin glow and look so nice. If there's any other beauty trends you want me to test out, please leave me a comment. I would love to try it out for you. If you try the glass skin look, let me know how it turns out and tag me in your pictures. I will have all of the products that I used in the description box down below if you guys want to check those out. Otherwise, thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out my links for my other social media, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!